Namaskaram friends. Today is the last Thaivalli of this year 2021. So I decided to give a talk on Divya Desams today. I am continuing with my Divya Desams visit through the video sessions. Today is the 79th Divya Desam. The Divya Desam name is Tiruchiravanangai Divya Desam. Tiruchiravanangai. Tiruchiravanangai represents that she gives highest success to one's life. That's the significance of this Divya Desam. And usually we have seen that Divya Desams, most of Divya Desams carries the name of Perumal. This is one of the few Divya Desams that has Tayar's name. Let's see the details. This is located in Tirunelveli district. Nanganeri, the place is called Nanganeri. Vanamamalai is the other name. The Vanamamalai, what does this name signifies is here Perumal is like a highest mountain that touches the sky. Vanam means sky here. Mamalai means the biggest mountain. So he gives darshan in a huge way that touches the sky like a mountain. And also we have seen that Tayar gives the blessings at his height. So once get the success of in a very biggest height in their life. So that's the other significance. Nanganeri is a place name I said. Deiva Nayaka Perumal is a Perumal's name, or he is also called as Todadri, who removes the sins. That's the name I read. So let's see the details. There was a king called Srivarangan. In his dream, he dreamt that Lord Vishnu was telling him that he is getting submerged in the mud and he wants to take him from that mud and build a temple. So Srivarangan king started searching, and at one place he found a group of ants there, and he started digging that place. As he was digging, he struck his axe on the head of the Vishnu statue, and it started oozing the blood. He was so frightened that this might hurt Lord Vishnu, no? But Lord Vishnu said not to worry, instead to get the oil and absolute him on the oil. So even now it's a daily practice in the temple that the ablution is done to Lord Vishnu with oil. So oil ablution is done, and this oil is being put on a well. There is a oil well we can see in this temple. So one who uses, we take that oil, and if you use it, if there is a belief that they'll get rid of any sins and they'll get rid of any diseases. So that's the other significance. So we have seen three significance. One is the Lord is as high as a mountain here. Tayar gives blessings to her devotees at the highest success to one's life. And third one we saw, when we use that oil in this temple, we'll get rid of our sins and we'll get rid of any diseases. So that's the different thing. So this king offered his prayers to Lord Vishnu, Devanayaka Perumal. He found the statue, and he built the temple for that Perumal in this place, Vanamamalai. So there is a belief that when we take the oil bath, and for the god when we are giving the oil ablution, we are not supposed to take chilies. As he takes oil ablution every day, There's a practice, they offer only the prasadams made by the pepper, black pepper and not chilies. So that's the practice. And other significance is the Tiruchirava Mangai Tayar. She is a daughter of the first G.S. Swami here. Ponnadigal is the name of the G.S. Swami. He visited Srinivasa Perumal at Tirupati once, and there the Gurukuls of Tirupati got their dream that Nachiyar wishes to marry Devanayaga Perumal at this place. And so she all along with this G.S. Swami to this place, and G.S. Swami considered her, the Nachiyar, as his own daughter, and he got his daughter married to Devanayaga Perumal is the history. Nanganeri is the place where Nachiyar came from Tirupati to Nanganeri place, and she got married to Devanayaga Perumal. So that's the history. Here in the internal sanctum, we can see the darshan of Lord Vishnu as Devanayaga Perumal along with Bhudevi and Sri Devi, and Brihu Muni and Markandeya in the internal sanctum. We can also see Urvasi and Tilottamai beside the god who is rendering their service to the goddesses and Lord Vishnu, along with Chandran and Suryan. The other significance, or we can say legendary, is that Anantan and eagle Garudar, they both did the penance and requested Lord that they should render their services to him all the time. So we can get their darshan also in the internal sanctum of this temple. Alvas have sung 10 pastorams at this temple. All these 10 pastorams is about surrendering ourselves to the Lord's feet, Narayanan's feet. So the Alvas get the darshan of beautiful feet of Lord Vishnu at this place. So pastorams is all about surrendering oneself, Alvas themselves to Lord's feet is the pastorams that is available in the Divya Prabandhams. So this is about 79 Divya Desam. From tomorrow onwards we will see Navatirupatis. That's going to be interesting, I believe. Thank you all friends. Namaskaram.